asylum pending, and child turning 21. Don't miss these actions.
Greetings, I am lawyer Edwin Fogam. I have practiced immigration and other areas of the law in the United States for the past 28 years. Today, I would like us to answer a question that many of our clients have been asking regarding their applications for asylum. And these applications have been pending for a long time, but the question is whether beneficiaries in those applications that have been pending for a long time can still benefit, even though they were in the applications when they were below 21, but now they are above 21 years of age. As you know, child in immigration, the child beneficiary is or should be below 21. However, many of these applications have been pending for a long time, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and even more. So many times, most of the beneficiaries in the applications, by the time they're going for the interview, have aged out. In other words, they are above 21 years of age. So will these beneficiaries be able to benefit or become asylee beneficiaries? The answer is yes. And this is because of the Child Status Protection Act. This is the law that provides that if the child was below 21 when the application was filed, even if the child ages out or is above 21 at the time of the approval of the application, the child can still benefit. So this is important to know. However, there are some important points to also be careful about. The first is that make sure the birth certificate is valid and properly done, because many times or most applications for asylum that were filed, birth certificate of the beneficiaries were not required, except in cases where the children were in the United States and you had to file concurrently for the child as well to get status. But most cases did not send in birth certificates, which means the birth certificates will now be required when you are filing the I-730 petition. So just make sure that is good and there is no contradiction. Secondly, ensure that the child is not married. I am not saying that you should prevent anybody from getting married, but what I'm saying you should understand is that if the child gets married, then they will no longer be able to benefit from an I-730 petition to become asylee beneficiaries. And finally, remember the cutoff time is 2 years. Your I-730 petition for the beneficiary must be filed within 2 years, except you can demonstrate some extraordinary circumstances, and you don't want to get into that fight. So I hope this was helpful to you, and if you need any further guidance or directions, please feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 301-608-1555. You can also send us an email to info@fogamlaw.com. And as always remember, don't fear the system. Understand it, work with it, and benefit from it. We can help you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.